Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So Samsung's rumored Galaxy S22 lineup could be coming soon, but how will Samsung's new phone compare to the Galaxy S21? So far, we've heard that the Galaxy S22 could offer a thinner design with new color options, 45-watt fast charging support for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as well as camera, processor and battery upgrades, all for a similar price as the Galaxy S21. Although the exact launch date for the Galaxy S22 is still unclear, Pulse New Korea speculates that the new phone lineup could be arriving in January. The Galaxy S21 was revealed in January 2021, a change from the phone maker's previous timeline for the Galaxy S series, which is usually unveiled in February. We haven't heard any credible rumors yet about the price of the upcoming Galaxy S22 lineup, but we anticipate that Samsung may keep prices fairly consistent from last year's flagship. The South Korean electronics giant slashed the price of its Galaxy S21 handset by $200 compared with the previous year's flagship, the Galaxy S20, and we'd be surprised if Samsung were to dramatically increase the price this year. The Galaxy S21 ranges in price from $799 to $1,379 depending on the model. The Galaxy S22 Ultra may also have an under-display selfie camera, but rumors regarding this feature currently contradict each other. Some speculate that Samsung has filed a patent for a punch-hole camera with a sub-display that moves out of the way and the camera is needed, while others claim the hidden front camera won't be a part of the upcoming Galaxy S22 because the camera quality isn't high enough. We also heard rumor on the new MacBook Air, which John Prosser show us the new render that basically covered new details like USB-C, possibly MagSafe, a white keyboard with full-size function keys, no more wedge design, white bezels and most importantly colors. As a reminder, in our initially we stated that we had not seen the display for ourselves, we were simply told details like white bezels and rendered out that information. These new renders include the updated notch detail, unfortunately. The new Fan Edition smartphones, the Galaxy S21 FE, would have been official by now. But as we all know, the Galaxy S21 FE missed its opportunity to be revealed at Galaxy Unpacked and Unpacked 2, and recent rumors hint at a January 2022 release. We're being told that Samsung wants to release the Galaxy S21 FE in the first month of 2022, much like we reported earlier in October. But the phone won't be launched on January 11th, as another recent rumor had claimed. Instead, we're hearing that the Galaxy S21 FE will be announced a few days earlier than that. Well, that is all for now guys, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.